Hello guys, this is English with teacher Lore. So my lessons are focused on listen, speak, write, and read. And don't forget that this is a complete e-school lesson. Today I will focus on this: watch, listen, speak, read, and write. So let's start. Today we're gonna start with the unit number 1 about animals' names. So we're gonna watch, listen, and speak. Cat. This is a cat. Dog. This is a dog. Chicken. This is a chicken. Cock. This is a cock. Cow. This is a cow. Camel. This is a camel. Goat. This is a goat. Horse. This is a horse. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Sheep. This is a sheep. Now let's do a lesson review. Now you are gonna read one by one the animals' names. Cat, dog, chicken, cock, cow, camel, goat, horse, rabbit, sheep. And these were the animals' names for today, and I hope that you really like it. That was all for today. We're gonna join in the next lesson. This was all. Bye bye.